Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see EvalGator started their hiring for freshers who are going to pass out in 2022 batch. This online assessment link I am directly providing to you. So before going to just watch my channel. If you are not just subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. Then only you may get a more update from my channel. And the next one will be MotoRola started their hiring for solution in the product. So this is all the job description, everything they are mentioning here. I am going to explain this both companies, so watch the video till end and don't skip it. And detail will be Cuba technology, multiple job opportunity, BTech, CS information IT or MCA, eligible UG, PG, 12th, 10th, student with no backlog, Chennai location, submitted on before 31st, shortlisted mail, get a mail on August 10, apply here. So 0 to 1 year of extension 2022 and 2021. You can visit their website whether this is a good company or not, everything they are mentioning here. And the next one will be MotoRola started their hiring for all jobs, so you can directly apply here, start visiting their homepage and start applying now itself. This all the two companies started their hiring for freshers. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Start applying. Thanks for watching this channel.